Good evening, folks. I'm back with another gorgeous, beautiful 2015 Ford Taurus with 108,000 miles and only 1,386 idle hours. That is correct. 108,000 miles and only 1,386 idle hours. Original silver. This vehicle was a former detective unit. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. Folks, this is gonna be the 3.5 liter engine. This is gonna be a front wheel drive. Once again, 3.5 liter engine, super great on gas. Let me tell you, folks, if you guys are hurting on fuel, you don't want to drive a Dodge Charger or a Crown Victoria, folks, I got just the car for you. 3.5, it's a gas saver, and you still have that performance to go with it. This is a Police Interceptor package vehicle. So yeah, she does pack a little bit of a punch when she drives. Let me stop right here. Tinted windows from the department. This appears to be like a medium shaded around, not too dark, not too light, and you can see right through. Once again, folks, vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Original silver from factory, folks. I do have one door ding on the rear left door, somewhere there. Let me see if I can close up. Yeah, you can see it right there. Okay, it does have a very minimal amount of scratches, but folks, nothing big or major to worry about. Vehicle does have backup sensors with factory installed backup camera. Yes, everything does work. This is gonna be an E85 vehicle, so once again, folks, if you're looking to save at the pump, this is it. All right, very economical on gas. It doesn't take too much. She is a gas saver, and you do have the performance to go with it. Once again, E85 okay, so E85 no problem. As you guys can see, the vehicle has been registered, so I do have California plates, registration good up to a year. No holes on the body whatsoever, folks. Once again, this was a detective unit, so the car doesn't have any holes on it whatsoever. Before I forget, folks, I got to tell you that I did give you a new set of takeoffs on this particular unit. These are going to be the 245 55 18s. That's what the car came with, and that's what we put back on there. The ones the old tires that were on the vehicle, they were about 20%. So I called my guys, and guess what, they had a nice set on standby. So $400 after, boom, there you go. I've also replaced the I also gave you the dog dishes, the little center caps. I replaced the full wheel covers that the car came with. The full wheel covers will be in the trunk, and they will go with the car to whoever buys it. Once again, you're gonna have the best of both worlds. The full wheel covers and the little dog dishes. No spotlights on the vehicle whatsoever, folks. Once again, this was not a patrol unit. I do have nice clear lights and lenses in the front. All right. One scuff mark on the rear right front bumper, passenger side. It's on the bottom. Folks, this vehicle looks amazing. All right, perfect color combination, the silver and black. I love it. I mean, I got to tell you, I love it. This vehicle is spectacular in my eyes. Wow, I love this vehicle right here. I am driving it around due to the fact that I do have plates, and yeah, she's a gas saver. Gas here in California is a $7 a gallon just about, so I prefer driving this one around. All right, folks, let's go inside. As you guys can see, I do have a perfect, immaculate interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor with all floor mats, original equipment floor mats in place. All right, also this vehicle did come with the rubber heavy duty floor mats. Those are gonna be put in the trunk. I prefer these look better. Door locks and switches are in place. Doors are fully functional in and out of the vehicle. All right, Folks, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Driver's side seat is in perfect condition. It is electric. So is the passenger side seat. Passenger side seat, I don't think nobody ever sat there, so it's nice and comfortable still, along with the driver's side, of course. I do have a police type center console. I believe this is going to be a Havis center console. I got lucky, they left it in place, they didn't remove it, so there you go. Honk does work. Let's go inside real quick. One key, one control, one factory control. Okay, sorry it's blurry, but there you go. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Okay. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I hate it when this happens. Alright guys, there you go. 108,000 miles with 1386 idle hours. That is it.
With our maps very well.
Stereo does work. It does come equipped with factory Bluetooth. All the little buttons on the steering wheel, they're nice and clean, so they're not erased. You can clearly see them. You can see that right there, folks. In most cases, all the buttons are worn out and destroyed. Not in this vehicle here. Alright, not in this vehicle. Once again, this was not a patrol car, and whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an amazing job taking care of it. Map lights do work. Okay, you have a little compartment for your glasses right there. White LED, correction, red LED. Colorblind here, folks. My goodness, red LED, white LED. All right, air conditioner. Once again, everything does work, folks, and it's nice and cold. All right, she requires no repairs. I already did everything for you. Cigarette lighters, little compartment here, and a little armrest for you. Yeah, we gotta have this, and a cup holder. This is a must. All right, folks, here we go. Let's go ahead and turn that off. I do have the auxiliary line in right here, USB connector here. Okay, folks, am I missing anything else? Cruise control does work. I already tried that. So let's go to the trunk, and then we're gonna go inside the hood and let you know what we did, because the clock is ticking. Oh, let me come back over here, folks. The steering wheel is in perfect shape as well. All right, perfect shape steering wheel right there. Once again, this was not a patrol unit, so it was very well taken care of. Flex fuel, folks. This is the trunk. I got a wire hanging out. I decided to leave this alone. It could be for a possible antenna. These are gonna be the wheel covers that came with the car. You're gonna get 4 of those. This is here just for show and tell. So you're gonna get 4 of these, and you have the heavy duty floor mats, rubber floor mats that came with the vehicle when I got it. And you're gonna get a full matching spare tire and wheel. There you go, folks. This is the trunk. It's complete, folks. The whole vehicle is complete. Let me back up here. I don't want to regret this, but let me just show you. Backup camera does work. You put it in reverse, and it comes up right there on your rearview mirror. See that right there? That's it. That's where the backup sensors and cameras start working. Put it in park, and that will go away. There you go. So this is all factory, folks. That is a factory setting. So backup camera and sensors are on this vehicle. 9 minutes, so I do have to step it up. You know me, I'd be chatting too much around here, and I'm sure I'm boring some of you guys out there, but I get 12 minutes to make it all happen. All right. Yeah, using one hand sucks. All right, this is the engine, folks, and once again, my detail crew did an amazing job bringing this vehicle back to life and getting her to look how she looks right now. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs new. Once again, 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs on this vehicle. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Full synthetic Motorcraft LV transmission fluid exchange was done. On this particular unit, it's not going to be a. It does have an internal filter, that doesn't get replaced. It does have a draining field plug in the bottom, I believe. Some vehicles may have two, and there are vehicles that only have one. This one only had one drain plug, and she takes a good amount of transmission fluid, folks. On this unit, she took 6 quarts of Motorcraft LV. All fluids have been topped off. Washer, coolant, air conditioner nice and cold. Brake fluid is done. The vehicle does have a new battery from the department. That's going to be a 65 group size right there. The vehicle does have brand new brakes and rotors all around, courtesy of that department, folks. Once again, brand new brakes and rotors, courtesy of that department, folks. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Super quiet. Nice stiff suspension. And she does have a little bit of a kick when you're stepping on the gas pedal, folks. This is not your regular Ford Taurus. This is going to be a Police Interceptor Ford Taurus, which means it's programmed and calibrated to government specs. There you go. Folks, if you should have any questions, comments, or you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. And let's see if we can come up with some type of agreement between the two of us, and you can drive away on a gorgeous looking Ford Taurus here. The steel wheels on the vehicle, they're factory, they look great. I did clean them up really good, and they came out to be like just in about new conditions. Alright folks, this is the Victoria guy signing off. I do have to go as the clock is running down. Once again folks, you guys have yourself a great weekend, and if you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Thanks for watching, and God bless.